and my dear friends. Welcome all to my channel. Please watch this video till the end. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Look at the highlight of the topic today I am going to explain. How to build up confidence to speak in English. You can follow these steps. Definitely you will be able to speak in English like your native language. First step. The best way is you should learn to think in English. In this case, the main problem is lot of words are not coming to our mind. I will tell you a wonderful way to solve that. You can make a list, what you see, what you hear and what you do. Then you can collect lot of words. Second step, you try to make simple sentences for every occasions. First, you can make sentences for daily activities. For example, I get up at 5 o'clock, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face, I get my breakfast and I go to the office. Like this way, you can make sentences. Third step, you can watch English movies on TV or YouTube. Read books and magazines and get details for everything. Listen to the English conversations and also read newspapers. Anyway, you should clearly understand at once you can't speak well. You have to practice every day. Today I will tell you how I improved my English knowledge. I am very keen on to read English books, English novels and fairy tales. Then I wanted to learn about the history of Sri Lanka. So I bought books to learn about the history of Sri Lanka. When I was reading those books, I found a lot of new words. Then I referred the dictionary and got the meaning and could understand. However, I realized the importance of reading. Just I can remember that saying, what? Reading makes a man. Yes, really, that's correct. So, I thought to read more and more. If you ever want to speak in English, you can follow these steps. Definitely, you can build up confidence to speak in English. With pauses and hesitations, you can't speak well. That's why I told you always to think in English what you are going to say. Stand in front of the mirror and speak to yourself. After that, you can speak with your like-minded friends. Practice to speak every day. Continue 3 months. Then you can see the difference. I will see you again from the next video. Thank you so much.